This is a wolf spider, also known as the spotted wolf spider. They are widespread and common throughout much of Britain. They can also be found in northwestern and central Europe. They can be seen in the UK between March and July. The female size from 5.5 to 8mm and the males are 5 to 6.5, so they are slightly smaller. They can be found in a vast variety of habitats, from open fields to gardens. They particularly like to be near ponds, which sometimes they even run across the surface of the water. It is a very common spider, but there are a few things that make it interesting, things that it does different to other spiders, such as not using webs. This spider is a predatory spider, that's how it got its name, the wolf spider, because it actively runs down its prey, consisting of flies and other small insects that it can find. The other interesting thing is the fact that the female carries the eggs in a little silken sac underneath her abdomen, until they hatch, at which point the live young then cling onto her body until they can fend for themselves. But I do want to show you the courtship of the wolf spider. Now you see the female, the larger one, will sit on the leaf and wait for a male to come along who's a little bit smaller, and he'll start to display. The way the male displays is he starts to wave his palps around. Now palps aren't legs, they have 8 legs, but these are 2 appendages which are used in displays and indeed for transferring sperm to the female during mating. Now you may also notice he's tapping on the leaf a little bit. Obviously spiders have very sensitive feet from where they would put their feet on webs, even though these ones don't. And they can pick up vibrations, and it's believed this is one of the ways that some spiders communicate. So now let's watch this male wolf spider get his funk on! If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like.